2D. 1. Read. A.
Do the quiz and test your knowledge. Then listen and check your answers. Quiz. Travelling then and now. 1. Nowadays, lots of people drive electric cars. They are good for long journeys because it is cheap to charge them and they are environmentally friendly. But electric cars weren't always popular. When did the first electric cars appear on the roads? A. In the 1890s. 2. Today, travelling by ship is fast, cheap and safe. But travelling by ship used to be difficult. In the past, famous explorers went on long voyages around the world. These voyages were dangerous, and it sometimes took months for the ships to see land. How long did it take explorer Ferdinand Magellan to cross the Pacific Ocean in 1521? C. About 3 months. 3. Nowadays, travelling by plane is easy and fast. A flight from London to New York takes about 7 hours. But travelling by plane didn't used to be that easy. In 1919, John Alcock and Arthur Brown made the first non-stop flight across the Atlantic. How long did this flight take? C. 16 hours. 4. People started using trains for travelling in the 19th century. In 1830, trains could run at about 30 kilometres per hour. Today, there are new kinds of trains that are very fast, like the maglev train. How fast can the Shanghai maglev train complete its 30-kilometre journey? B. In about 7 minutes.
4. Listen. A. How much do you know about the explorer Christopher Columbus? Answer the questions below. Then listen to the first half of a radio programme and check your answers.
And now it's time for History Corner. Who are we looking at this week, Tina?
He's an Italian explorer and he was born in 1451.
I'm not sure.
He's quite famous.
Is it Marco Polo?
No. This explorer went on 4 voyages to...
To where?
the Americas.
I know. It's Christopher Columbus.
That's right.
B. Now listen to the rest of the radio programme and write T for true or F for false.
OK, let's learn a bit more about this famous explorer. He left on his first voyage on the 3rd of August in 1492.
Did he have only one ship?
No, there were 3. The Pinta, the Nina and the Santa Maria.
How many months was the voyage?
Well, they saw land on the 12th of October, so it took them about 2 months.
What was it like on the ships? I mean, I saw a film once and the weather was terrible. Near the end of the voyage, the sailors died because they didn't have food or drink.
Well, actually, that's not true. Life was difficult on the ships because they were usually small, but they had lots of food and drink. And on the first voyage, the weather was fine.
I see. So, where did Columbus go first?
To San Salvador, an island in the Bahamas. But he didn't know that. He thought he was on an island near India.
So, he didn't know he was in the Americas?
No, he didn't.
And when did he find out? On his second voyage?
Nope.
His third? Fourth?
He never knew. He lived his whole life thinking he went around the world to Asia.
Really? I didn't know that.